Hello everyone, I thought it's time to do a very quick update on the charts, Bitcoin chart, etc. and the altcoin chart. We can also perhaps have a look at. Um, Everything is looking very good. I did the previous video about 3 weeks ago. It was at the 58 level, and I said, listen, yeah, our indicator has turned green. It was right where the indicator turned green there, and I said I'm expecting upwards movement. We bounced back on the indicator there, went under the trend line for one candle, but the indicator stayed green and we were above the indicator, still continued upwards. At 50, sorry, it was at the 65,000 level. We got this red candle, which was a bit of a warning for pullback. Did take some profit in this area. Then we came down and we got this long signal. Now these long signals don't come often. You'll note I put on Twitter, I think it was 2 days ago, I put on Twitter we got this long signal. And it was 3 days ago. It was 2 days I think when it flashed there. You can check on the Twitter there. Please subscribe to the Twitter channel. It's Smoking Tattoo 200 Punk Club. The link is at the top of our YouTube, from our YouTube page. And I put that on. We've got the long signal here. It's likely to go up from here. At the same time, I've never seen this before. When we got the long signal, we also had the red flash on this indicator. However, the long signal here is a much more or rarer occurrence. And as such, I favored the long signal here. But not only that, this pattern that we have here is very specific to a trend reversal from the downwards reversal consolidation, the pattern to a bullish pattern. You'll note here where the yellow line crossed under the white line, and when it comes back up, that is usually when your bull market resumes. Now there's two ways how it resumes. The one is it comes out here and it just smashes through everything. This catches a lot of people off guard and it just continues up. The other way is what I think has now transpired. These are the most common ways, is that it simply goes up to where it was and it does one last pullback just under these moving averages, and it continues up with its with the bull market there. I can show you quickly back here as indicating that this is a typical pattern. Well, note there we also had this buy signal. These buy signals don't come often. Generally they are very good news, and I showed you the buy signal which I favored there. After this buy signal, there was a slight pullback on this particular occasion, but not much. And the difference with that is we had a longer red indicator while that long came in, but that indicator was basically the bottom. See, was very close. But it's different from this where we flashed the red and the green. I expect it's possible for a bit of downturn, but the main reason why I thought we're going up there is this. You will note what I described to you earlier. You get the yellow line you see crossing under the white line, and when it comes through you have your bull market. But look what happened last time. We ran up above it, and again we had that final little comeback just to under the moving averages, and then we took off like a rocket. Once we broke back through these moving averages above the white, it was Christmas. You can say it was Lambo soon. Now there is a slight difference in that this you'll see the sell signal there meant absolutely nothing. It shot through it. Now our first sell signal, it was respected, and it came back, but it immediately then gave us the buy signal. Now it's given another sell signal, We are, however, above these moving averages again, and our indicator is green. This is very important. I can go back to the indicator. We did get that little fake out red there, which was that one day, but we got the buy on the other side. In the other case, we also got that little fake out red, and then it proceeded green further. We also got a little fake out red there, if you remember, on that one. So there is sometimes these fake out reds where they suddenly go green, and they have this last one little attempt. In that case, I said to the altcoin market guided me there. The altcoin market did not print a red candle there. You see the alts were taking off already. So I hope you found this very insightful. It does appear to be bullish. The general requirements for what you would normally require to restart the bull run have, in my opinion, now been met, and we are green, and I will stay in my positions as long as we are green. If this is indeed the takeoff, which I suspect it could be on a balance of probabilities, then this will stay green for very long. It can stay green for months. So let's hope that this chart pattern, which is the most likely chart pattern to play out, plays out now, and that there's not a nuclear bomb or something going off next week, or 1,000 bombs that now causes us to have a second pullback, which I would not expect, but it is then possible if some disaster event occurred that we could have a little pullback, but it does not appear to be in the charts, and I don't think we should overthink these things. In general, also, those types of events, even with COVID, we did have a run up again before then, and then a few days we got a red signal, and then suddenly everything crashed. Because there's always, there would appear somewhere, whether it's politicians or people in the market, open the market, they always get the information before you do, and suddenly they cause a sufficient move to then give us a red print on our indicator again. So that can actually get us up before a serious crash. So I hope you found this insightful. Of course, nothing's financial advice. It's for educational purposes and to give you an idea of the trading system that I use. If you're interested in joining a trading community, there's only places, there's places for less than 200 people. You need to have one of the NFTs, and the NFTs do cost a bit of money, but it's a once-off payment. It's not a monthly or weekly payment. And then I will post the charts. I post the charts there on the Discord, and you can also chat directly with me. So if you're interested, please check it out. Hope to see you in the Discord. Information on the Discord and how to get the NFT, etc., is on the x.com page. Otherwise, enjoy the free content we put out here from time to time. But I hope to see you in the community. I think it can benefit you. And if you saw the posts we gave you the other day when we said this appears to be bullish from the 58 region, people were calling. Here's some people calling for 34 now. I think sometimes to have some clear indicators which you can see over time have been tried and tested, and a bit of community which we can discuss interesting things, even some things for reset times and other interesting content. Feel free to then have a look on our main page for the x.com page and for further information. Have a great day.